follow your dreams.
And action.
Hey, how you doing, folks? Today we got some grease. This is called rail grease. Rail grease comes with a LiftMaster opener. We got a LiftMaster opener. Here's the bottom of the rail. With this rail grease, what you want to do, take the top of it off.
Roger that.
Your rail up here, I like to do a zigzag.
Oh!
Like that. All the way down the rail.
Oh!
Okay, and then once you apply all that grease down that rail, run the machine a few times.
Roger that.
And then get you a paper towel and just wipe off. It'll build up a little bit here and in the front and just wipe it off.
Are you serious?
So that's how I apply rail grease. And once you stick that stuff on that rail, it's good to go for a long time. So you don't necessarily need to be putting it up in here or on the belt or anything, just on the bottom.
Hey, thanks for following me today, guys. Peace out.
Whatever.